What's going on, everybody? This week we are giving away a leftover swag bag from this past weekend's Overland Challenge. We also threw some patches on it. Stick around to the episode to figure out how you can win this bag right here without doing any other work than watching the Blue Ridge Overland Gear Bonfire.
And probably leaving a comment, but we'll see how that goes.
Got a comment to play.
So Dean,
yes,
you went to Overland Challenge. What happened? How was it?
Oh, we got wet. It rained a lot on Saturday. No, this year's Overland Challenge with Southern Expeditions down in Uwharrie was epic. It was a great time. Went down Thursday and then was there Friday, Saturday, came back on Sunday. It is a great time. If you are interested in going in the fall, there will be another one this fall in November. Highly, highly suggest going. It's a great time, even if you're not competing, not volunteering, it's worth going. You can watch, you can go out and watch the different people competing in different areas, hang out in the vendor area, you can camp all weekend. You're in Uwharrie National Forest in North Carolina. There is absolutely no reason to not go. Plus you can get cool t-shirts. I got a hat across the street at the El Dorado Outpost.
Did you take any sweet photos for me?
No.
But you said you had a backup.
I see where you were going. You see where you were going with
this. You saw that lead-in coming?
Yeah, no, totally, yeah.
But you said somebody else took photos, right?
Yeah, so I did not take any photos, mainly because I was stuck in the vendor area, and you guys didn't really want to see pictures of that. But the team at Southern Expeditions did have a video crew walking around. So with the magic of post-processing editing, we're going to cut to some of that footage because they did such a better job than I ever could have done.
All right, so last week we released the Snactical M&M carrier.
And we're going to be eating M&M
for all like of your M&M needs and then some. If you haven't seen that video, go back and check that out. $200 off the Garmin Overlander. We have been selling a ton of Overlanders. Yeah.
It's awesome. $200 off. That is a mail-in rebate. So you pay full price with us. We include the rebate form. You print out your invoice. You send that in. Then Garmin sends you $200. Probably not in small unmarked bills. I'll most likely do it as a gift card or something like that.
Also this week, our buddy Sasquatch, while he wasn't eating M&Ms, because believe me, there was a lot of M&Ms, he was traveling. So with at Off-Road JK, he traveled to Sedona, Arizona. And then also with Toyota Rad Dads, he traveled to Zephyr Cove, Nevada. So glad that you guys were able to take this guy along on your adventures. He is a blast.
I forgot to take him to North Carolina.
Doggone it. You had one job.
That's
no,
okay.
You had
no,
two.
No,
you were 0 for 2.
You know who else forgot Sasquatch? Jonathan Blackmon was in Uwharrie with me over the weekend, and he didn't bring Sasquatch either.
We still have some more year left.
Yeah.
We will get there. So event news. This is your favorite part of the show.
So,
take it away, my man.
Upcoming events. This weekend is the Smoky Mountain Overland Rally in Cosby, Tennessee. And yes, I will be there. Yours truly will be there. I'm again going to probably bounce out of work late Thursday and then head down. I'll be there Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Brog officially won't be there. I will be there as East Coast Overland Adventures. Again, this is a great, fun, small event. There's on-site trails. You're in the Smoky Mountains. It's absolutely gorgeous down there. There's some off-site trails that are worth checking out. Some other vendors will be there.
They're super mountainy and they're super smoky.
Also going on this weekend, our Florida vendor, Freedom Vango, is having an open house on May 1st. That's in Jacksonville, Florida. You can stop by. They specialize in building Sprinter vans, but they also cater to pretty much anybody who's vehicle-based and traveling and stuff like that.
And then coming up, the Big Iron Overland Rally, May 14th to 16th in West Mineral, Kansas.
I'll be there.
And then, what is this new? The New Jersey Overland Flea Market and Meetup. Oh, we haven't talked about this in a minute.
Yeah, we
this is starting to be on the horizon.
Yeah, so this one, we teased this one back when they first told us about it. But this is the New Jersey Overland Flea Market and Meetup. I actually went to this, I don't know, 3 years ago maybe or something like that. It's a really fun little event. Again, local meetup. That is going to be Saturday, May 16th in Brunswick, New Jersey. That is a fun little event. And also coming up That same month is the Bantam Jeep Heritage Festival, June 11th to the 13th in Butler, Pennsylvania. I've been to that show many, many times. Did an Overland demo there 2 years ago with Dan Greck. That is kind of a fun one.
Tons of stuff. The Adventure Van Expo, June 19th to 20th in Mount Hood, Oregon.
Yeah, that's a whole series of events. You'll hear us talking about the Adventure Van Expo again, like they do them almost monthly. So this one's in Mount Hood, Oregon, but they do them all over the place. So pay attention. If you're a van life person and you're interested, check our site because there's a whole list of those dates. Also coming up in June is the Outside Adventure Expo, June 25th to 27th in Salt Lake City, Utah. I will be going to that one, and the biggest irony of all is that they're pulling me in to talk about the Overland adventure lifestyle, right? So you know me talking about overlanding. I'm flying. So I'm going to get up in front of like all of these people in Salt Lake City, Utah at the Outdoor Adventure Expo to talk about overlanding, and I'm flying there. Not driving.
Fantastic.
I know. So that's going to be a lot. You can't get more overland than 30,000 feet. We'll see how that goes.
So last week we asked you guys, what is the best candy bar in the world?
And again, we need to have a discussion on what is a candy bar. I love Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. I absolutely love them, but it's not a candy bar. Yeah.
All right, so we tallied them up. So coming in third, we have Milky Way, whatchamacallit, Kit Kat, and also, actually, I remember Twixt with 2 votes each.
Okay, yeah. In second, we have the Humble Reese's Cup with 4 votes and I guess 5 technically if you count.
Yeah, 5 technically if you count the other one.
5, you know.
And coming in number 1 is Snickers. It barely pulls a win with 5 votes total. I mean, I was a little disappointed that it's like the regular, the one that everyone knows about.
But see this. But if you think about it, Snickers has everything. It's got nougat. It's got chocolate. It's got caramel. It's got
nougat though.
Oh, it doesn't.
So this brings me to what my favorite candy bar is, which is the Twixt. It has supplanted the Three Musketeers at the top of my list. Yeah, but it's got that like cookie inside. Is that not a nougat? Is that a cookie?
No, it's like a wafer.
This actually ties into a conversation, a debate that we legit had.
Oh yeah.
Not like a pretend one had, which was what actually is a nougat. We actually argued about this for 5 minutes the other day. And we kind of disagree. I think a Twix has a nougat. He kind of thinks that's a wafer cookie, and that a nougat is something else. And I'm like, I guess I don't know what a nougat is because I thought that was a nougat.
Nougat's the stuff that's in the middle of a Three Musketeers. That's nougat.
That's just mush, though.
That's nougat.
I thought nougat crunched.
Back me up, YouTube. Do your thing.
No. Twix have nougat. That's what a nougat is.
All right. Our winner from last week with our high on chocolate M&M squirrel doing all of the voting, Jennifer Bailey on YouTube. You win the Snactical candy bar pouch. Send us your information if you haven't already, and we will get that pouch out to you as soon as possible.
Let's show off the bag we're giving away this week.
This week. So we made, for the Overland Challenge, we made some swag bags, kind of a step up above the swag bags we used to do for Expo. So it is kind of a basic bag. It's not really a full-on trip planning bag. It does have a tarp liner, coyote fabric. It's got some Velcro for patches. See, patches. It does have a shoulder strap. But it's basic. Nothing super special. But we have an extra one. We thought we would give it away to one lucky viewer. So, CT, what do we want to know this week?
I kind of want to continue this nougat debate, but I don't know if we're beating a dead horse. Change my mind, and we'll go to the M&Ms.
Take sides. If you think I'm right, I will totally hook you up with the bag. If you think CT is right, I will send you a bunch of empty M&M wrappers from the video we did last week. We still have a couple laying around.
So many M&Ms. Yes.
So we did the whole tool bag full of M&Ms. So our question, okay, is how many M&Ms, how heavy was that bag?
I want to know how many. I want them to guess the quantity of M&Ms because the weight.
You want to count them? I know what the weight is.
That hard to carry.
I know what the weight is.
There is written somewhere roughly what the weight was already. So I think
we put it on the scale.
I think that kind of eliminates that.
But that's not the exact weight, though. That was just a rough.
I know, but it gets them in the ballpark.
Yeah,
I want to know how many M&Ms were inside.
They could be accurate.
We now have 3 questions going. We need to
That's
pick
fine.
one.
It'll be a free for all.
It'll be a free for all.
Yeah, it'll be free for all.
Oh, God.
So pick your poison. Am I right? Is CT right when it comes to nougat? How much is the weight of that tool bag of M&Ms that we used in the video last week? Or how many individual M&Ms do you think were in that bag? Okay, you got 6 pouches. We separated them by color.
This is weird. This is a weird episode, but I'm going to embrace it. We're going to see what happens. We love you guys. I look forward to all of your comments next week. Ladies and gentlemen, that is all the fun I have.
That's
I'm
all I
CT.
got. I'm Dean. That's Sasquatch.
We will see you at S'more
Yes.
Overland Rally. We will see you back here next week. Same broad time.
Same broad channel. Probably still eating M&Ms because we have like 8 million of them.
There's still a lot. There's still a lot of M&Ms
yeah.
around. Yes.